Digital impressions are by far the biggest impact in my career in dentistry. It has taken the opportunity for our patients who cannot handle impressions and made it very seamless and easy. Hi, I'm Dr. Jamison Hendricks, and we are proud to offer all of your dental implant solutions here at Hendricks Family Dentistry. So dental implants, the beauty of them is that they are a single tooth solution in a lot of cases, but they offer functionality, but long-term aesthetics as well. All of our implants are done fully digital, meaning we don't ever have to use any goopy impression material any longer. We can communicate with our labs very efficiently and make the process very comfortable for our patients. One thing I'm very proud about our dental implants here at Hendricks Family Dentistry is that it's comfortable, it's convenient, and it's always given us proven results time after time.